Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the kitchen. Today I show you the simplest of all recipes. We're gonna make simple syrup. And you can use simple syrup in lemonades, teas, in cobblers, on pancakes and so much more. So let's get started. So like I said, simple syrup is so easy to make. We need a pot over medium heat. I add 2 cups of water. Two cups of sugar, whisk it together. So as you can see, it looks pretty cloudy at the moment, and the goal is to have a clear water-like liquid at the end, and then you know that your simple syrup is ready. It's really that easy, and it takes about 3 to 5 minutes, sometimes a little longer. And I whisk so that the sugar doesn't burn at the bottom. And I use simple syrup in so many recipes. I also like them on pancakes, but also in cobblers sometimes. In lemonade it's really great. Maybe you have seen my strawberry lemonade video, but also in blueberry lemonade, even in teas, it's really good. We are almost there. Alright, now we can turn off the heat. Now I like to store my simple syrup in a mason jar. So I put it right in. It's just a little more. So I'm going to use the rest that I have in the pot for a lemonade. Now once it cooled down, I put on the lid and store it in my fridge. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you would, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!